Bearcoin, Solana token. So, ito ay literally liquid gold. It works universal currency. So, Bearcoin is live. Pwede kang mag-trade sa Radium. Then, pwede mong tingnan ang kanyang token address. Pwede sa Dextool at saka Dexcreener. So, may tutorial. So, pwede nating panoorin ng tutorial. Okay, ito. So, how to buy. So, siyempre, download ka ng Phantom Wallet, Crypto Wallet. Then, yung seed phrase niya. So, doon ka sa Phantom. Okay, pumasok yung Solana mo na binili. Okay, type Radium. I-connect mo yung wallet mo. Yung Phantom Wallet. Then type Bearcoin. So, makita mo na basta ito na Radium. So, pwede na ka nang mag-swap. Confirm transaction. Yan, pumasok ng Bearcoin. Complete. Okay, so ganun lang kadali. So, buy and Dex. So, benefits, yan ang mga benefits kapag bumili ka ng Bearcoin. So, okay. So, become a holder and win prizes. So, ito ang prizes niya. Una, yung Tesla Cybertruck. Ibang klase So, pwede ring ma-monetary. So, tingnan natin yung iba pang mga benefits kapag bumili ka ng Bearcoin. October Peace VIP trip. So, yan, private jet travel. To 100 Heineken stocks. So, sa stock market, 100 stocks. You have your choice. Ganda to So, ano pa sunod? Itong matindi, 10 taong beer supply. Sa mahilig uminom. Ito, 10 taong beer supply. Ang daming sakit yan. Kaya roadmap nito ay ito, journey ahead of Bearcoin from launch to future developments. So, ito ang kanyang roadmap. Broconomics, 888 billion. Bearcoin. Then, 30% pre-sale, 30% liquidity second, 20 treasury, 11 airdrop, pre-sale breakdown, 15%. Then, market envelope, 49%. Pani community game, top leaderboard, share at saka bear tokens. Then, mga missing prices nito. Okay, ito pa. Puro pa yan cuppings on NFTs, musical TV, arts, sports, and more. All in one place. Yan ang halimbawa. So, ito. So, ang chain ay, of course, pre-sales and investor, 3 million collected in Solana, with sponsor 3 million. Then, official address will display. Beware of scammers. Pre-sale niya, tapos natin, pre-sale 0. Tapos na. US at Chinese, hindi pwede mag-invest dito. Bawal. At saka yung mga restricted countries. So, kailan ba siya malis? Listed and pagkatapos ng pre-sale. So, nalisted na to. So, pwede na nang bumili sa mga SEC exchange. So, plano nila sa Binance, Bybit, OKX, KuCoin, BitGet at Bitfinex. So, subukan nyo sa OKX at KuCoin. kabitgit. Supply niya is 188 billion. Ang market cap niya ay 15 million market cap. Million ba? So ito ang kanyang price. Million, dan kanyang the experience, no? It's a reputable index but also 6, no? Years built on $1 billion company before hence motivation. Okay, airdrops 1%. So ito ba is ito airdrops na audited ba ang kanyang and of course audited by reputable provider. Yan ang mga official link niya. Twitter, then Telegram, Instagram. Twitter, click mong Viber, pwede mong tingnan sa Telegram. Ito ang risk warning niya, high expletive, label price, suitable for all investors. You may lose some or all invest capital, you should not expect capital that you cannot afford to lose. Should consider investment advice. So we don't allow users to pre-sell kondistan na itong mga bansa na hindi nila